In this video, I will be showing you how to replace the hood latch system on a Lexus gs300, 400, 430, and Toyota Aristo from the years 1998 to 2005. This is a very straightforward install, and the reason I'm covering it is because I couldn't really find anything on it. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into it. So a little background, mine broke. The latch right there, as you can see, it would no longer keep the hood down, it would just bounce back up. I don't know if this is a common problem or not, but the fact that there's 20 sellers on eBay selling this latch system, I'm going to assume that it's a common issue. Anyway, what you'll need for this install is just a ratchet. This is the one I'm using right here. And it's a 10 mil, so that's all you'll need. Hopefully you haven't lost it in the fender like the rest of us have. This is a very straightforward, as I already said. So I already took the bolts out of the one on the car and I have them installed on the new one so you can see. So you have two 10 millimeter nuts on either side here and there. And then you have this fun little bit right here. So this at first will look like it's just a cap that you pop off. It's actually got a thread in it. So I actually was dealing with this for 5 minutes, banging on it, thinking it just popped off and there was a nut behind it. It's a knob. So just a fun little thing for you to be aware of. And then on the back side, there's a plug. So I'm going to install it and I'll show you how to do that. Well, that escalated quickly. So you can get all the bolts out without removing the center support for the front end. However, when you're trying to get the cable out the back of this, which is right there, you actually have to take this piece off and out of the way, because if it's there, you have absolutely no way of getting your hands in to disconnect this. So this is kind of a pain in the ass, it's safe to say, but you only need a 10 millimeter ratchet to do it all. So we'll be back.